So now that we have the fingerboard done and we're done with the jig, I took the level and I put it in the neck into the vise here, and I got it level so it's straight. I put the jig on because what we want to do next is cut out the tailpiece where the inserts are going to go in order to bolt this onto the neck. So to do that, I have set up the jig. It fits perfectly in here. It's just ideal. Because remember, the angle of the neck is sloped down this way, the jig can't be like this. It's actually exaggerated. It looks like that so that it fits tight into here. And so what I'm going to do is take a small bite off of this, then I'll go deeper and deeper. And the jig here is deep enough, because it's going to end up being my guide. It looks like it's about 1/4 of an inch that we're going to end up taking off, but I'm taking very little, just a slight bite each time, because I don't want to fracture this in any way. So what do you say we get started with this? All right, we start out at the front end. This is a 7/16 guide, bushing guide. And I've got your router bit in here. We're all set. We're ready to go. Now we'll lower this just a bit. Check it at the end. This certainly does make a mess. So there we have it. Got this all cut out here. Then we're going to shape it into here and take this off. And there's our centerpiece where we're going to put our inserts into here. And then she tightens up against the guitar like that. And we still got good grabbing power because the insert's about 1/2 inch and we've got about 1/2 inch there. This came out a little wider on the one side than the other, but that should not matter. We'll fix that up. Okay, I think that's it for me today. And what I have here to celebrate the end of this for now is a smooth cup of English breakfast tea. And I really enjoy this, and I hope you would too. Oh man, this stuff is so good, it makes your day. So don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done that already, and hit the bell and the like button and all of that kind of stuff. And down below, there are some links, and there is a link to Starbond on the CA glue or the super glue. And I talked to Starbond because somebody wrote me and said that the discount code didn't work. So I got a message back from Starbond that they hadn't activated it. Anyway, apparently I would assume it's activated by now, so you'd get at least a 10% discount, maybe a little more. So if you wish to do that, by all means, please do. And there are some other links down below to the Michael Builds video that you'll see of his workshop, and to Jim Miller on Facebook and his shop. Two really neat looking shops to have a look at. So that's it for me. Now, follow me on Instagram. I put up pictures, and sometimes the pictures go up before we get into the shop here. And if that's the case, you get a preview of what's coming. So by all means, you can follow me on Twitter. I somehow have to apparently link Facebook and Twitter, and I haven't done that yet. I don't know how to do that, but I'll go up and have a look. Hey, it's all good. Stay home, stay safe, and drink lots of English breakfast tea. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.